Hi friends, welcome to Maths tutorial. In today's video, we will learn to find the LCM of 4 and 6. So let's start to learn. Note that LCM denotes least common multiple. Now let's understand the process to find LCM. Firstly, we have to find the multiples of 4 and 6. Among those multiples, we will find the common ones. And lastly, among those common multiples, we will find the least one. So now let's move on. Firstly, we will see the multiples of 4, which are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Next, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Now look at these multiples. Here 12 and 24 are common multiples. So the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and so on. Now look at these common multiples. The least one is 12. So the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. In other words, we can say that LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. You can leave your comment in the comment box.